Can you say, oh, Toodles? You reading the Mickey Mouse? Mickey Mouse. Aww. That's what they say on their show, huh, Brayden? Oh, Toodles. You want to say ABC? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. Very good. A. What comes next? What comes next? A, B. What's the next one? Oh, Toodles. Wait, we forgot. What comes after B? A, B,
C.
Very good. That's my boy. 18 months. ABC. High five. Oh, Toodles. High five. High five. No? Okay, fine. Oh, Toodles.
Go.
Mickey Mouse.
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 Mouse. All done? Okay. You're a fast reader. You're like your daddy. He's a fast reader. Mommy's not.